Oh, okay.
My guy's pretty like a girl, and he got five stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through the water.
Hey everybody, welcome back. It is Dylan or Jigsaw. Today we are here with another new reaction series, this one being Pantera. Pantera did win the poll. As you guys saw in the community tab, I uploaded a question for you guys. Who you guys want me to start next? It was between The Cure, Alice Cooper, Pantera, or Stone Temple Pilots, and Pantera obliterated the poll. You guys wanted to see them very badly. So today we are here with Walk, and this is going to be the music video. If for some reason the video, obviously, you know, there's issues with copyright, it gets blurred, there may be a little bit of a picture over top of the video. Again, I'm always sorry about that. I try to get the video up as clear as possible with just a music video, but YouTube has copyright laws. As I say in all my new series that I start, if you're new here and you don't know me, my name is Dylan, and I have a list, and here on this list are a bunch of songs that you guys write down in the comment section for me to react to. And I write them down as soon as you comment them. I'll write them down here in this paper, and I'll get your reaction as soon as possible. If you want your reaction to be seen a little bit quicker, make sure you go ahead in the link down below, join the Discord server, and we have a song request tab, obviously, that I am able to see a little bit sooner and a little bit easier compared to comments, and your request may be up a little bit quicker than if you were to comment it down below. So I'm really excited to get into Pantera. This is something I've been looking forward to. I love getting into new music. You guys have been absolutely killing it with the recommendations. Like, we have not listened to a song that I haven't liked, and I'm not just saying that for YouTube. If I don't like a song, I will just sit here. I'm not gonna give you guys some bullshit lie. So let's get into Walk. I'm really excited to listen to this, and let's go. Okay.
Can't you see I'm easily bothered by persistence?
Mm.
From lashing out at you, you want to get under my skin and call yourself a friend. I've got more friends like you. What do I do? Is there no slacking anymore? What it takes, who I am, where I've been, belong. You can't be something you're not. Be yourself, by yourself, stay away from me. A lesson learned in life, known from the dawn of time. Respect, walk,
Woo!
respect, walk. Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me?
Okay, so this is good. Like, this is different than what I've been hearing in terms of rock music, so I like that. I not 100% how I feel yet about the song. I'm enjoying it, but I'm also not a fan of a song that consistently just kind of repeats the same sound over and over and over again the entire song, if that makes sense. I'm not gonna say anything yet. I'm really excited to listen to this because I like the sound a lot. Don't get me wrong. I like the sound.
Run your mouth when I'm not around. It's easy to achieve. You cry to weak friends that sympathize. Can you hear the violins playing your song? Those same friends tell me your every word. Is there no standard anymore? What it takes, who I
Oh, okay. 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 I see you, Pantera. I see you. I don't know if I'm 100% into it or hooked yet, but I'm interested. I like the song overall. Like I said, I'm not trying to be picky, but I think a song that just has the constant, repetitive beat, guitar strafe or whatever in the background, that's fine to go back to. But just the whole, I think that was like a 6-minute song there. I might be wrong. It might be a little bit shorter. The whole song having that same beat, or not, I keep saying beat, but you know what I mean. Me personally, I like a little bit of switch up every once in a while, not like the constant flow. But that didn't affect the way I feel about the song. I think the song was great, but the flow itself was a little iffy to me. The guitar solo was fantastic. I was not expecting that from him at all. Like I said, I don't know these guys, so my knowledge is very little to none. It's absolutely zero. All right, everybody, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. Like I always say, make sure you leave a like down below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on those post notifications so you see when I upload, because I do upload 3 to 4 times a day for you guys, because you are my family, and I love you guys so much, especially with all the love and support you've been seeing, giving me recently with everything that's been going on. So again, thank you guys so much. Like I said before, if you have a song request, comment it down below, or go through the Discord link down below, join the Discord and request it. I may be able to see it a little bit easier, but I do still read the comments on a daily. I make sure I go through every comment when I upload a video. So I'm always reading, I'm always watching you guys. I thank you guys so much for love and support, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.